All right. One of the videos that we published talking about Nkere and how he decided to celebrate his declaration on 2nd of December, we actually asked for something, and that thing that you requested for has been given to us. One of the things that I requested in that video is that I would like them to publish a video of Nkere when he declared his independence on 2nd of December. I told you that they will do watch this video. I told you that they are here. And to prove that, because they have actually come up with the video, they have responded, and that is why we are here. So I want you to watch how Nkere declared his own version of Biafra on 2nd of December 2014. And 2024, sorry. And this is just a way of reminding you the lies and what these guys have mapped out to do. There's something that they have vowed to do, which is to discourage you, to make you feel that something is not, that nothing is going on, to distract you in every means necessary. Nkere is somebody that people like before the arrest of PM. Nobody, I don't think anybody would have just picked on him and said that this guy have this kind of level of sabotaging him. Some people believed him, like people like me. I don't know much about him, but for seeing him as a quiet person who I believed then, that I was thinking that he's somehow trustworthy for PM to make him a finance minister. Little do we know that and finally he has shown himself. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you have not. And please comment, let me know what you think about what you're about to discuss. Now, how did we receive the video? One of them, those of them that jump from behind door and sneak into propagate Nkere New Republic, the main person there is Eunice. As you can see here, this is Eunice. Eunice said, Lati, 24 December 2nd, 8 p.m. Maz Ogechukwu Nkere fired up for Biafra. Fire keep burning. From Eunice of all people. And this Eunice, you know, I have told us something about her. Her attack on PM as of that 2014, January, February, thereabout, and of course 2013. This is one of those who claim that PM is a government agent. That PM is an agent from APC. That he's out to stop you to be presidency. I have proven that to you. In case if you have not seen that, you can go down here and watch the video, or maybe you can place a special request. I will bring it again for you to see. But I'm not here for that. She is the one that actually displayed this kind of nonsense here. And when you go through it, you understand what we're talking about. That they are out to do, you know, evil. Pay close attention so you understand. This is the video here of Nkere when he declared his own version of Biafra.
Are we ready? Ogechi, come on. Ogechi, come on. Ogechi, come on. Ogechi, come on. Let me say hello to my boss.
Say where one number.
I am a messenger.
He's a messenger.
By the special grace of Chukwu Abiyama, I am the finance minister.
Okay.
And since the calling.
Why is he biting his tongue after saying I am finance minister? Why biting your tongue? Yeah, you are too proud of yourself. Anyway, let's just hear him, because this is a way to declare Biafra. Because when this was said, Latin 2024, December 2nd, 8 p.m. Mazo Gechukwu Nkere fired up for Biafra, and the fire keeps burning. As of the time of this video that Nkere, okay, as of the time he said this in, where were you? Are you also with this Biafran then? What were you doing as of that as of the time he made this video? Where were you? You are still calling Ekperima. Oh, Ekperima is not in prison. Oh, Ekperima, right? Today, oh, my eyes don't clear. Ekperima is no longer here. Now, all this Ekperima was doing is actually right, because they have opened door for you to destroy everything that PM was doing. And that is what people don't understand. Did you hear what he called himself here? Listen, I am Ogechukwu Nkere, right? Then you ask yourself, this Ogechukwu Nkere, are you different from the? Is this Ogechukwu Nkere? Is it different from the one that what is the name of this CRC group? Imam Madabo. Is this Nkere different from the one that when they swore him in and they called him Asaya Young? I played that video a few days ago. Asaya Young. They called Elias. That is, they called not even Elias. They called him AKA. Yeah, AKA is what they use. Asaya Young, AKA Ogechukwu Nkere. But what did he call himself here? Listen. You go share declaration now. New way of declaring freedom. I don't declare the Biafra here, 2nd of December.
Let me say hello to my boss.
Option, say hello to your boss.
I am a messenger. Mazo Gechukwu Nkere is my name. By the special grace of Chukwu.
Mazo Gechukwu Nkere is my name. And you are acting Prime Minister after this show, okay? Because this is during the convention, during the declaration, December 2nd, 2024. Biafrans were still in Finland. Okay, he decided to seize the time to start to showcase what you're about to do. I am a messenger. I am a messenger. He called himself, I am a messenger. Who messaged you? Who is the messenger? Who is the person that is behind this your message? You're a messenger sent by who? To seize mic and start claiming that you are a messenger. And you are Mazo Gechukwu Nkere. Imam Madabo introduced you during the time of swearing in as Asaya Young. What stops you to telling Biafra that, look, I am Asaya Young, aka Ogechukwu Nkere? No. Today, in some document Asaya Young, in some document Ogechukwu Nkere. Who are you? The great declaration. Because when they're saying December, this is how Ogechukwu Nkere decided to declare his own version of Biafra after Biafra has been already declared.
I am the finance minister. And since the calling, I have been doing all I can. I give it up. Whenever anything is going wrong, I face it. And our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, said, when mad, crazy people like him join the struggle, what will happen? Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, once more said, when mad people join the struggle, what will happen?
I have not seen any video where Mazi Kanu said that mad people join the struggle. I have not seen that. What he said is that he loved the way people are speaking up, and he was actually addressing the presence of PM as of that time, that had it that if you happen to be him alone talking, that people will think that he is crazy. You get the point? He did not say that when mad people join the struggle, Biafra will come. That's not what he said. He was trying to praise people that adding their voice and support to what is going on. That seeing Master Samadek, Biafra Prime Minister, what he was doing as of that time, that is very, very good. That he loved the way people are talking now. That if you were to be him alone, people will think that he's crazy. Please, I want you to validate if am I wrong or am I right? Let me know in the comment section. I want to know, because now go for now worry. Okay, so let me know what I said now. I start to be corrected. Please just put it on comment section. Let me know. Is that not what he said? Please let us know.
I am proud to say I'm one of them.
Copy.
My boss remain my boss. My prime minister remain my prime minister. With due respect, his word must come to fulfillment. What do I say? With due respect, his word must come to. We are not backing down. And Biafra is not backing down. We will go to any length to stand our ground. Unshakable, unmovable. You can't move us. You can't bully us.
Yes.
We don't care who you are. Fellow Biafrans, we all know our website. And we all know what to do. And we all know what we'll be doing every weekly, every day, daily basis. Please kindly visit the website. Do the right thing. Do we all know what today is?
Anyway, let me not say anything. This is he's still on that process of declaring his own pattern of Biafra. In case you have forgotten. So just pay attention. He's declaring his own pattern of Biafra.
Do we all know why we're here today?
Yes.
I left the United States of America down here for a reason. One, to see my prime minister. Number two, to make sure that his prophecy is there. Come to what? What do I say? Come.
And he forgot to mention that he is there to declare Biafra. He forgot to mention that Biafra will be declared. The question is, he said that he is there to make sure that what the prophecy of PM come to reality. That is to declare Biafra. But in his own little way of deceiving people, he wants to make it look like that Biafra must be declared on second. So therefore, it must be a second. So the question is, you should ask this guy just common sense. Should help him out. Ask him, okay, if what PM want to achieve on 2nd of December actually came on time, that thing now happened before the 2nd of December, should it be a thing of sadness or happiness? Like, you want something on 2nd. You flew from US to Finland simply because you want that thing to happen. You want to actualize something. And that thing happened to get to you earlier before the time you expect it to happen. So, should you turn around and say, no, take it back, I don't need it now, it must happen on 2nd of December. Please, I don't understand the brain behind this nonsense. I am honestly, genuinely, please, I need help. Make it to make sense to me. Of what benefit is it to this guy that Biafra was declared on 2nd of December instead of before even then? Your primary purpose, if I thought you actually want Biafra, is that Biafra actually declared. Is it declared or not? So that thing that made you to travel and risk your time and risk your life to fly from US to Finland, you got it on time. You should be very, very happy. Then you now turn around to spend more time to argue. No, you must be happy. So this is how he decided to declare it for you. In case you believe him. For only for back in our watch. This is how you guys declared Biafra on 2nd of December. Don't tell me that Bryson Okoma or Bright Okoma, husband to Chom Okoma, that reading grievances is the way you declare Biafra. I don't tell me that because it's unheard of. Because even him that read that grievances, he knew that that is not how to declare a nation. But if that is to you your own way of declaring a nation, then what is Nkere doing on the stage? Simple question. What is he doing on the stage? Why is he now protesting? Because some of them say that I have forgotten the date when the man read that grievances, whether second or not. Let us assume that he read that on 2nd of December. Then why is Nkere now agitating on stage after reading the? If you at all you see that as a way of declaring Biafra, why then are you still agitating over and over again? In the same day, you should be happy that what you wanted have been achieved. Since the reading grievances is a way of declaring Biafra in your own method. And when they say every madman raise up your hand, some of you don't want to raise your hand. Are you not mad?
My boss, my prime minister, I respect him, I know him for his work.
After changing document to my prime minister, this is a way of showcasing criminality. You change the document before traveling to Finland, and you have the audacity to tell the whole world, my prime minister, my prime minister. Now, you know, when somebody begins to emphasize on something over and over and over again, there must be something hidden about it. Just like Masanakano once said in one of his broadcasts, that why is it that in Japan you don't hear one Japan, in China you don't hear one China, in UK you don't hear one United Kingdom, in US you don't hear one America. But in Nigeria you hear one Nigeria. Every time they keep on telling one Nigeria because they are trying to record that so that you can begin to settle in you that you won, whereas they know that they are not one. For them to keep on repeating it over and over again because they know naturally that they are not one. Just like when you said that your name is A, and you know that your name is A, that's your name. If you want to change that A, and you refuse to change it in a legal way, and you just to use shortcut and say, okay, my name is now BB. Every now and then, whether when it's warranted to mention your name, you keep on saying BB because you are forcing BB for people to accept it instead of your real name. So for him to keep on saying okay, my name is Nkere, he wants to see him as Nkere, but in his document, in reality, his name is Asai Ayok. Then the same thing he's saying, and my prime minister, my PM. He keep on saying that because in reality, he have already erased that prime minister. Because before he flew to Finland to declare the Biafra, which he himself did not even declare, he went there to monitor and to serve as what he called himself as a messenger, which you are yet to know who actually sent the message, who is now delivering the message on his behalf. It is secret. It's not. Nobody have no. You can't even put one place and say this is the person that sent him for the message. But all the message that he carries looks suspicious. It goes to show that somebody behind it sent him as a message. He wants to tell you that he's a messenger. Some Umokoko may think he actually means that his PM sending a message to go and represent. Now, if PM sending a message to represent, what is going on now? The PM now is now Mr. Ekpa. Mr. Ekpa is trying to sabotage. Mr. Ekpa put his agenda first before the death of Biafra. Mr. Ekpa want to protect God's order. Mr. Ekpa. That's the write-up they introduced to you of late. So that should be a way of connecting these dots. That for the time he started talking about my prime minister, he already knew that in reality, the prime minister is just bygone. I am the prime minister, but if I say it now, everywhere will basa, everywhere will become problem. That's why he don't want to say it. Just understand it before he arrived at this event. When he was in US, he has already changed the document before the arrest of PM. He has already changed the document. But what is he doing now? Oh, my prime minister. Go to Abonage. Negate. I want you to understand what this guy is busy doing here. Because if you don't mention it the way it is, he may think that he's smart.
And Biafra is not backing down. Mad, crazy people like him join the struggle. What we have? Our leader, Mazi Lambikano, once more said, when mad people join the struggle, what we have? I am proud to say I'm one of them. My boss remain my boss. My prime minister remain my prime minister.
Why is he saying this? What is the connection? My prime minister, you are there to do something to declare Biafra, right? Why are you now repeating that my prime minister is my president? Did anybody say you are not? He's not your prime minister. You are trying to say that because that's one secret business that has already happened, and that thing is ringing on his mind. He's trying to summon, to wave it away, just to shake it off and move further ahead. But now everything is not clear. Like people are now, we can now connect back some of these utterances, some of these his words with what he's doing at the moment to understand where he's heading to. You get the point? Because some of us may not able to understand all those things this way. But I want to, I'm not here to drag him, to paint him bad, but to give you the reality of things. My prime minister, if you count how many times he said my prime minister here, my boss, you in fact, you lost count. But the summary of what he was doing or what he did there is to, to control your mind that he loved PM so much. Why is he emphasizing on that? Is anybody that in doubt? This is not a question of who loved or who did not love PM. Why is he deliberating on that more? It's simply because he understands the business that he did behind. Even if you don't believe in other business, that of changing document should be an eye-opener to you.
Respect. His word must come to fulfillment. What do I say? With due respect, his word must come to. We are not backing down. And Biafra is not backing down.
The reason why he's telling you that we are not backing down, Biafra is not backing down, the prophecy of PM must happen on 2nd of December. It's not that he loved PM. It's not that he wants it to happen. No, but he wants to use that to bring controversy. Because what he's actually doing here is to drag position. That if I did not kick against this, so people will not start it up. I have to start it up so that people will not undermine what CS is doing. She cannot be a leader while I'm here. You get the point? In his mind, he's rich, he's exposed, he have the contact, he have what those things that he claims that he has. Nobody has seen any of them. I am the chairest giver. I am the chair giver. I am this. I am a humanitarian. I am the philanthropist. I am this. I am Nkere. Do you know who I am? I can go to Washington. The phone number of some congressmen is on my phone. I can do photo and make enlargement. I put them in my living room. My children will be seeing me with the congressmen. They know that their father is this and that. That is what you want. But when you keep pretend that you don't know those things, especially those of them in fallback, I wonder what your mind is telling you. I don't understand. Does it mean that your blood is black or what? Can't you reason? Can't you have conscience for once? You hear your brother.
We will go to any length to stand our ground, unshakable, unmovable. You can't move us. You can't bully us.
Yes.
We don't care who you are. Fellow Biafrans, we all know our website, and we all know what to do, and we all know what we'll be doing every weekly, every day, daily basis. Please kindly visit the website, do the right thing. Do we all know what today is? Do we all know where we're here today?
Yes.
I left the United States of America down here for a reason. One, to see my prime minister. Number two, to make sure that his prophecy is there. Come to what? What do I say? Come. My boss, my prime minister, I respect him, I owe him for his word. My boss has been campaigning for about a year, and his word must stand. We start this journey since the 29th of November. And this building is where history makes. We make history, and we stand by it.
That's it.
The journey that started on the 29th is in preparation for history of my boss. When my boss said, he knows the day Biafra win. My boss said, he knows the day Biafra win. Go! And what is the day? What? The Zulu government, they try to bully us, and we bully them. They try to make us shake, and we shake them. And we trick them. And we do them for 1 night. And we do them every fool.
We did not do anybody 419. Biafrans are not into 419 business. But you see, this guy with his own mindset is something else. The truth is that what he's doing now is the second option. The first option is to wait on this day, which is on that day rather, which is 2nd of December, to cause controversy. But when the whole thing was not able to happen the way he programmed it, because I cannot understand why COS declared it ahead. With this mindset, do you think this guy would have allowed that to declare on 2nd of December with this kind of thing he's doing, and what is he still doing today? Because he wanted to rather around him. Why? What was his reason? Why did he change the document before PM was arrested? People don't ask this question. Let me repeat myself. He changing the document. What document am I talking about? Registration document of Maryland, that head office in Maryland, when PM was here, because it's no longer head office. Changing that document when PM was here, and without PM consent, should tell you all you need to know. And after changing that, few days later, PM was arrested. He did not reveal it to Biafrans. Do you know how long it took for the whole thing to surface? It was when Imam Adabu and started having issue. He was trying to prove a point that how can you kick me out from breaking? You can't suspend me. Where is the document? The document is under my name. That was when people begin to say, oh, truly, this man changed the document. And he, as the chief manipulator, he put Ruben Nadi as one of the person that signed it, that stand on that, which he later denied. Do you understand it? Then how did he manage to get to manipulate that kind of thing to put Ruben Nadi there? Ruben Nadi distanced herself from that. He now put the guy, what is it? He's so-called COS now, another experiment. If we begin to talk about this individual, it will be too long. I just wanted to see how he declared Biafra to some of them that jump from DOS who may not understand what happened before they sneak in. But most of them sneak in. They were not here before. They don't even believe in PM. They are here. Their job is very simple. Frustrate the job, all the effort of PM before he was arrested, so that by the time he comes back, he will not have any strength, anywhere to stand again. Because the primary purpose and the agenda and what DOS has been looking for is to build a political party or a pressure group that will somehow be promoting Southeast politicians based on the money that you bank into for them. Mazamokan refused that, and it became an issue. And that is why they are fighting him like never before. Even his wife is part and parcel of those people.
Biafra! Biafra! We do this too, Biafra! Food! We food this too! My boss, my prime minister, he said December 2nd, Biafra will be restored!
Now ask him, how did you fool the zoo? If not Biafra declared before the day the everybody was expecting. How did you fool them? What is that food that you are talking about? Because we are trying to say you are smart them, not 419. You are smart them is different from saying that you 419 them, you fool them, you scam them. No. The issue is that you are smart them. And what is that thing that you did that are smart them? If not Biafra being declared before the day that it was announced that it's going to be declared. As simple as that. But these are people that know how to bite the finger that fed them. Please make sure you like the video. I don't want to say more. This is money broadcast, and I don't want the money upload, and it's not a live broadcast. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it to many platforms and let Fallback Group see how their APN declared independent of their own version of Biafra. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care.